Show you how to replace a charge pack with the Physio Control CR Plus AED. Typically, this is what we'd think of as the battery, but with the Physio Control CR Plus AEDs, they operate a little bit different, whereas they have an internal battery, and the charge pack actually helps to keep that internal battery charged. So the first thing we need to do is open up the case to expose the AED, and then in order to reach that charge pack, which is right down here in the corner, we actually need to pop out the AED just a little bit, and then we can access that charge pack. You'll also notice, may not be able to see it here in the video, but there's the indicator here showing the battery symbol, letting us know that that battery is low. So to take the charge pack out, we push on the little tab on the top of the charge pack, and it's spring-loaded to allow that charge pack to slide out. Then we'll open up our case, take our new charge pack out, which should have an expiration date of 2 years at least from installation, and we're going to go ahead and slide that back in until we hear it click. Once we hear it click, we know the battery's been installed properly, and we can see that the indicator is letting us know that the AED is in an okay position. We're then going to pop that back into the case, and the AED is ready to go.